My name is Philemon Chimwe, the project manager for Goal Zimbabwe. We have several projects that we are implementing here at Tongogar Refugee Camp, mainly livelihoods projects. We start with the irrigation scheme. We have 25 hectares of irrigation scheme where we are benefiting 400 refugees and 40 Zimbabweans. These are assisted in growing 3 crops per year. We started by growing maize, we are growing sugar beans, and very soon we'll be growing butternuts and watermelons. The refugees are receiving quite good yields. For sugar beans, we are ranging from between 2 to 2.5 tons per hectare. For maize, I think between 5 to 7 tons per hectare on average. We also have projects in terms of poultry, where we've got 100 refugees benefiting. 80% of the beneficiaries are women. And from these projects, I would say we assisted them by building the structures. I'm happy to say that these refugees have been weaned off from input support. They are now buying their own chicks. They are now buying their own feeds using the money that they are generating from the project. We also have a piggery project where we've got 44 refugees benefiting from the piggery project. These were assisted in terms of buying the feeds, and these pigs were the free-range pigs which were roaming around the camp. So I would say the refugees, after selling 4 pigs, they are now able to buy their own feeds. So all the 44 refugees from the piggery project are now buying their own feeds. I would say most of the impacts that are realized from the project is that there is an increased income within the project. The refugees now have some income which they are using to buy other commodities. And also looking at their background, some are traumatized. So the projects act as a therapy or assist them in terms of forgetting some of the challenges that they met along their way coming to Zimbabwe. And I think also there is social cohesion within amongst refugees themselves. There are several tribes within the camp. And when we are benefiting from the project, we don't look at the tribe or nationality. We look at the interest. So there is social cohesion amongst refugees within the project that we are implementing here at Tongogar Refugee Camp. And refugees are quite happy. With the dwindling funds from our donors, I think we call upon other stakeholders to come and assist in terms of livelihoods activities. We have several projects that are earmarked, that refugees identified through the needs assessment that was done recently by UNHCR through other partners, that refugees have identified projects that they want to implement within the camp, that we are waiting for funding to implement those projects.
The person sells more than 4, no longer supported. So the majority of them are now going to.
That's what it is. The project here can do to our hands.
Was I think for all our projects, like the project we are no longer supporting them.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yes. So since last year, I think they are now buying their own chicks. They are not buying their own feeds. They are running with their own.
How many families are involved?
44 families. So we have a plan to extend